special fam, welcome back to a new video. This is going to be a hair video. I wanted to share my braidloc journey with you guys. I was a loose natural for about Ramsey's 7 years.
I can't wait to go back curly. I don't know what to do with this hair.
And I get tired of detangling and deep conditioning and doing all that extra stuff to my loose natural hair. It was very draining. I didn't have enough time. I have a special needs son that I have to worry about. I go to nursing school. I'm a mom. It was becoming a little too much for me. So I've wanted to do dreads for a long time. I had them before. They were long, but they were the traditional kind. And because my hair texture is softer, I hope I'm using the right terms, I had to retwist my hair very often. And because I had to retwist it so often, like at least once a week, my edges, it ate all my edges. And this is still good. I'm gonna show you a picture of when I took them down. I had them for 4 years, and then I took them down. And when I took them down, I had like 2 U's going here on each side. It ripped off all my edges. So this time around, I said I'm gonna go for a smaller version. I don't want sister locks. Sister locks are too much maintenance for me, and I don't want to pay anybody to do it. I can do dreads myself. So I decided to go for micro locks. This is all a DIY. I did it myself, and I started with braidlocs. So after doing more research about braidlocs, I was like, I think I can handle that. This is my 10th set of braidlocs. Yes, you heard me right, the 10th set. So that means I put them in and took them out 9 times. Yes, I did. And I'll tell you why. I go fine until I get to month 3, which is this month for me. This is month 3. The frizz, I think some people call it the ugly stage. I can't stand the frizz. It's not for me. I can't stand it. So every time I get to the frizzy stage, I would take them out. And then my best friend, she lives in Belgium, we started together. She's way ahead of me now, and she's like, please tell me you didn't take out your hair again. What are you doing? And then when I go back to loose natural, then I encounter all the problems I had before with the detangling and the this and the that. And I wear my hair in 2-strand twists most of the time. I hardly wear it out unless I'm making a video or going somewhere, which is hardly never. But I decided this time I'm gonna stick it out, and you guys are gonna be my accountability partner. How about that? So I interlock my hair, and this is my 3rd month, and this is what my hair looks like in month 3. Now I'll tell you how I got to looking this neater. The frizz was so bad that I called my best friend. I was like, I'm taking this junk out. I can't stand this frizz. And she's like, no, don't do it. It's just a phase. So I was interlocking. My roots will be like, you can see the parts, you can see the everything, and it's perfect. But the stem, oh my God. I don't know if you can see it. I'm looking in the mirror inside, but the frizz was just killing me. So I couldn't do the frizz anymore. So I said, okay, I'll give it a try and twist it. So I had enough new growth to twist it. Well, you guys know it as palm roll. So I palm rolled it, but I palm rolled from the root to the shaft, from the root to the tip, the end, because I couldn't stand the frizz anymore. So I palm rolled it, and this is my, let me see if I can do a close-up. This is the, I need to fix the camera a little. Let me see, bring it up a little. All right, this is the palm roll version, because when I do the interlock version, you'll see the interlock, but then the rest of the hair will just be messy. There'll be frizz everywhere. So this is 3 months in, and when I palm rolled it, I feel like I can handle this better than the part where it just looks a mess. I just look homeless. This is the worst stage for me. I don't even remember what I did the last stage when I had the, oh yeah, I put 2-strand twist over it, but I'm allergic to weave and stuff, so I can't. I itch all day, so that's not an option for me. So I decided to share my journey with you guys. This is my 3-month braidlock journey. So let me tell you what happened now. So I was doing some research on braidlock, and I saw this girl on YouTube. She had her braidlocks for like 3 years, and she had her braid pattern, like that part was never touched. The only interlock part was the part where she interlocked her hair. So she had like this much interlock and all this was a braid. I'm like, oh no, I can't do that. No, I don't have that patience. I do not. So I took every braid out one by one. I'm not done yet. I still have some to go. And I interlocked it. So some of you might be saying, interlocked it? How did you interlock it? So I'll show you that I still have some braids in. I take my time with it. But I'll show you the braids versus the interlock. So I think I really have to go digging here, because I've been a pretty busy girl. I've been getting them in. This is a braid. Oh, come on, braid. Okay. Let me see how I get this. Okay. This is a braid. You see the braid pattern. And this is an interlock. So let me see. This, yeah. This is what the difference look like between the braid and the interlock. So let me get the zoom in. There we go. Okay, some more so I can show the difference. So as you see with the braid pattern is still in there, and with the interlock, I interlocked it. It doesn't have a braid pattern. I have an old braid out going. I just need to find a good one. Oh, look at the frizz. Do you see the frizz? It was 10 times worse than this. I had to twist it all the way to the bottom. The frizz is really bad. But this is the difference between the braid and the interlock. So what I do is I take the braid out and then I interlock it. And I'll show you how I interlock it. Okay, so I took that braid out and I'll take the hair, split it in two, and then I'll 2-strand twist the end like this until I can't go no more. And once it's 2-strand all the way to the end, I put my fingers in between, bring it down, and then I go. So picture a clock. Once you picture the clock, I'll go from 3 to 9, and then I stick my finger back in there. This is a whole different set. Like you stick your finger in. I go from the top, and then I'll go from 12 to 6, and then I stick my finger from the side, and then I go from 9 to 3, and then I stick my finger back in there, and then I go from 6 to 12. And I repeat that until I get all the way to the top. Mind you, my roots are interlocked. So I'll do it one more time so you'll see it. Stick my finger in, bring it all the way down, 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 till it can't go no more. See? Stop. So once it's there, you go 3 to 9, come back, all the way down, 12 to 6, go back in, I go from the side, all the way down, 9 to 3, go back in, all the way down, can't go no more, and then 6 to 12. So 3 to 9, 12 to 6, 9 to 3, 6 to 12, 3 to 9, 12 to 6, 9 to 3, 6 to 12. And I'll do that, see, and then it won't get loose anymore because it's like a web, like you're weaving, so it's kind of weave shut. So I'll finish that up later. But once I get to the part where I have the interlock piece and I have the piece that I interlock with my hands and there's no room more for me to, then I use my tool, my interlocking tool, which looks like this. There you can see it. Yeah, looks like this. I got this on Amazon and it comes in a tin case like this, and comes like this, and it costs about $8, and it works perfect for my hair. I don't interlock any of them or anything like that, but I'll keep you guys posted because I wanted to share this journey with you guys so you guys can hold me accountable for not taking this out again, because I really want dreads. Like, I love dreads. I've been doing dreads since but for me to go through this fuzzy stage, that stage is killing me. So I'll keep you guys posted and I'll let you know what my 4-month update looks like. But this is a twisted 3-month update. I'll show you what an interlock version of this look like. I can handle this I can handle the twist, but the interlock version, it looks a mess. I'm gonna take my hair down so you can see. I don't really have a grid. I have a grid in the front. So the front of my hair, I have, like, this is my grid pattern. It's really neat. Now the middle and the back, I can't promise you nothing. I don't know what that looks like, to be honest. I try to look with a 3-way mirror. It's decent. I mean, I can get a couple things in there, but I didn't count how many I have. I will count on the next video, but this is what my pattern looks like. I left 1 braid in the front because I wanted to see how long it's gonna take this one to lock for the braid pattern to go away, so I left that one. And the back, let me see if I can do this. The back is, oh no, I don't know about straight lines and pattern. I hope I have straight lines. Yeah, I think I have straight lines. Yeah, I think they're decent. But this is what it looks like right now, and I love it. Like, I wake up and I spray my hair and I go. I have a bottle with oil and water, and I just spray my hair and I go. At night I make 1 braid here, 2 braids here, 3 cornrows in the back, and in the morning I just take it out and it gets really crinkly. This is 2 days old. I forgot to do it last night. I was too tired, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go finish up this one. And thank you guys for joining me on this journey. Please motivate your girl, because I really want the dreads. I just gotta make it out of this phase. This phase is the toughest phase, but thank you for your support. If you want to see how this journey pans out and what month 4 looks like and on, hit the subscribe button, join the family, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.